This is the NY20. It's a brilliant watch. It's a full 360 by 360 AMOLED screen, high-end screen, really, really good price. You got lots of different controls here. Brightness controls with very bright down to slightly on. You've got do not disturb, and of course your overall app drawer with the settings, which include changing your overall menu style, and that, folks, can include the Apple look and feel, or the linear style that we've seen before, which is the Style 3, and a circular one too. You've got display settings for brightness, screen time, but no always on screen, which is unfortunate given this is an AMOLED device. A battery saver combination in here that will give you a more extended battery life, but disconnect you from your phone if you don't need that. Vibration intensity, languages, and other system stuff is covered here as well. When you slide this way, you get into your step count, weather, if you have this card added to it, music player you can add, last night's sleep time in hours, minutes, deep and light, and the plus sign that lets you add other cards at your choice. So some flexibility here we don't normally see on these watches, and this way you get a little pull-out drawer that shows you the current temperature, Fahrenheit, centigrade. You can set imperial or metric, music player, whatever your last things that you were using will show up there. It's a really, really nice TPU band on this, kind of color coordinated in style with the body itself, super thin. Blood oxygen, blood pressure, heart rate, it's all included. It's the NY20. Check it out.